Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 9 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner and pick this button. Here we get access to the settings of the camera, so now let's tap on it. And here we are in more advanced camera options. Let's slide a little bit down to the general category. And here we have store location data option. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. This option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the right to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. To check its location, we have to tap to the right corner again and pick the details. And here we have the location information with the full address and the map, so we can check it. And that's all. Greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.